Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the module maths module which is inbuilt in Python. So yeah, let's create a file name called as mathematics.py, and the simply line you have to write just import math. And there are various functions in the maths module. I'm going to show you some basic ones and the most used one in the maths. So I'm going to try to just print out the function which is to get the square root of a number. So what should I do? I'm gonna write math.sqrt, so it will print out the square root of the number which is given inside the parenthesis. So I have given 4 here, so it should print out 2. Let us check it. Yes, it is giving 2. Let's check for another number. Let us say 64. 64 is square of 8, so it should give us the value 8. Yes, it is giving us the values 8. So yeah, let's move. And the next function which is mostly used in mathematics is the trigonometric values. So using this maths module we can find out trigonometric values. We can find out trigonometric values. So to do that, we are going to just simply either print math dot. I'm gonna print out the value of sine 30 degrees. Okay, I'm going to say sine 30, but the problem is that here is asking that return the sine of x measured in radians. I don't know the value. I don't know what is sine 30 degree in radians. So there is function in maths module which gives us the values in radians if we give it in degrees. So I'm going to say print math.radian. So what it will do, it will give the degree values into radians. So I'm going to say 30 degrees. So 30 degrees, let us put it, and it will give us in the radians. Okay, so here is the value of 30 degrees in radians. I'm going to just copy paste this. Okay, and I'm going to simply just type in here print math.sine. Okay, math.sine, and sine this value. Okay, this value, this value. Let's copy this and put it here. Okay, so value of sine 30 degree and equals to this much radians is half. You know that sine 30 degrees is half. So basically sine value is calculated by the y-axis, ratio of y-axis and the radius of the circle. So I'm gonna just print out and let's see what value we get. Yes, it is half, 4.99, which is approximately equals to half. Okay, let's check it by cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2. I think root 3 by 2. That's what it is root 3 by 2. Yes, it is given 0.866025, something like that. So let's move on to next basic use and most widely used, that is the using of logarithm. It is very useful in maths, and it is very useful in various topics and concepts of maths. So I'm gonna say print math.log, and I'm gonna say what power of 2 to get 8. Okay, so first we have to get write the index, and say next after that next should be 2. Okay, so what it will do is that it will print out what power of 2 to get the value 8. Okay, so I'm going to print out this, and it is giving me 3. It is quite good. I'm going to say what power of 2 to get 64. It is 6. If you are someone who is from the mathematics background, and you know that a log doesn't have the base 1, so let's check if we put the base 1. I didn't have earlier check one that. I'll also check that what happens. Okay, so I'll put here 1 and what power of 1 to get 64. Let's see what Python does it, and it is not proper function in mathematics. It is not valuable in mathematics. It is not operable in mathematics. Okay, let's check what it does, and it gives error. Yes, it is giving error. Float division by 0 division error. It cannot be. Okay, Yeah, it also gives errors. Okay, yeah, that's it. So you can explore various functions of this math module. If you are in VS Code, just just hold Control button and click on the maths. Yes, this one. Okay, you have to click on this and you will see various functions. A cos, A sin. It will return in float. Okay, is A cos and normal cos will return. It will also return in float, but you can check it out what is the difference here. There is various functions you can see here, like it can convert into degrees, this function can convert into degrees. Okay, and it is exponential function, and it is factorial. Okay, it is factorial, it gives factorials, and it will give the mod value. Just you have to explore the docs of this module and you will learn a lot. Okay, here's the log function, or log. This one is commonly used in mathematics, log to the base 10. Yes, this one is used very commonly in maths. The log table is also based on this, the log of base 10. Yeah, so that's it. So guys, I want to tell you something that in the Jarvis video, the chatbot I made using Python, in that video I told you that I'm gonna do the tutorial video of that, how to make that chat GPT, like how to make that what to say chatbot, or how to make the chatbot. So I am delaying that tutorial series. So that tutorial series will be starting in it is very hard to say, but it will be coming in June 2026. Yes, it is quite taking a long time because some personal problems, that's why. Okay, so after 1.5 years the content of the channel will be on boom and the content will be very amazing. It will be up to date. I'll update this channel. So yeah, and this channel will not be active for 1.5 years. Okay, that's it. Meet you after 1.5 years. Till then, practice your coding. Okay, yeah, bye bye.